In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you use the Chase Private Client Benefits app. Welcome back to this new tutorial video, everyone. Now, there is no separate app for the Chase Private Clients. All of your premium private client benefits are automatically integrated within the Chase mobile application. So what you need to do is just open up the Chase mobile app and head over to the contact us section, where you'll be able to find the option which says Chase Private Client Support. So once you're inside of the support section or the tap on the support button, this will instantly display your personalized services and the direct contact info for your assigned private client banker. So apart from your assigned private client banker, there are other benefits as well, as you can see on the screen. If you do have any queries, you will, as I said, you will get straightway assigned to a private client banker. So this is the exact feature that you can find within the mobile app of Chase. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.